All right, today we're going to talk about downed power lines. Now, power lines may come down as a result of windstorms or ice buildup or motor vehicle accidents. They can come down in and around job sites. Uh, Here's some considerations. You can't tell if a downed power line is energized just by looking at it. There aren't any sparks or movement necessarily, even if the line is not live one moment. An automatic switching piece of automatic switching equipment may restore power to the line without any warning. The protective covering on a power line is not really insulation. It only protects the line from the weather. It won't protect you from electrical contact. The electricity in a power line always seeks a path to the ground. Now, this path might include a tree or a vehicle or a fence. These objects then become energized. If you touch the energized line or the object, the electricity can flow through your body. So keep away from any object that is in contact with a power line. Once electricity reaches the ground itself becomes energized. And this can happen if a broken power line falls to the ground or onto a vehicle or a tree. The electricity then flows through the ground over a wide area. It spreads out like ripples in a pool of water. The voltage on the ground is very high at the point of electrical contact. Farther away, the voltage tends to drop off. With power lines of up to 60 kilovolts, the voltage drops to zero at about 33 feet. However, if the ground's wet, it's going to be more than that. So, having said that, treat down power lines and anything in contact with them as energized. Stay as far away as you can from a downed line. Call the power company immediately. A crew with proper training and equipment will arrive as soon as possible. And then wait for the power company representative to confirm that it's safe to approach the scene. Only the power company can confirm that a system's been de-energized and that power will not somehow automatically be restored. So keep this in mind, something for you to be aware of. You may not encounter any downed lines, but then again, with what we do for a living, there is the possibility that it can happen. And especially with the weather that we have here in this part of the world, it could be very easily something that you could encounter just on a normal coming and going to work or out on the street somewhere. So be aware of that and keep it in mind how to handle or how to deal with down power lines. Thanks.